Most active traders trade similar kind of methods. If you look at traders who are doing swing trading, they are all trading either momentum, breakout, pullbacks or anticipation. So why do some traders make more money from trading the same method which 100 other people are trading? And some people will struggle to make money from breakouts, or they will say breakouts do not work, or people will say momentum doesn't work, or this doesn't work. And in order to understand that, what you have to understand is in any business, and trading is a business, if you see next to my office, there are at least 30 pizza places in this particular town. Now these 30 pizza places, not all of them are making money. They are not making, some of them are making lot of money. There are 2 or 3 pizza places here which do roaring business. They always have queue. They always have people waiting in line to get the pizza. And then there are pizza places where there is nothing which is happening or they are dead. Similarly, if you see ice cream parlors around here, there are a lot of ice cream parlors around in this particular town. But there are only 1 or 2 which have real people lining up to eat ice cream. Now, why does this happen? What is the difference? They are using a same, if a pizza place is a pizza place, they are using the same ingredient, they are using a similar kind of oven, they are using a similar thing. So what makes one pizza place make 5 million versus another place which barely manages to make 50,000? And those are the same question which you should be asking in trading. And the difference between a shop which makes a lot of money and shop which doesn't make a lot of money is in the nuances. It is in the processes, it is in hundreds of small things which the shops which do more money do better. And it's the same thing with trading. If you look at the successful traders, they are doing lot of small nuanced things right. Yes, a lot of people will say breakout do not work. But if you really understand breakout and you find the nuances of making a breakout work with the same setup which somebody else says is not working, you can make a lot of money. And those nuances can be in terms of process, those nuances can be in terms of entry techniques, those nuances can be in terms of entry timing, those nuances can be in terms of where the stops are put in, those nuances can be in terms of exits, those nuances can be in terms of size, those nuances can be in terms of number of trades which you do. These are the things which determine your success in any business. And if you study the businesses around your office or your home, you will see the same thing, which is in order to make your trading business successful, you need to really focus on lot of small microscopic details. And those small microscopic details is what makes one trader more successful trading momentum or breakout than another trader who complains that momentum is not possible to make money on, or breakouts it is not possible to make money on.